Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Miss Nadia Rosiliana binti Nordin. My name is Muhammad Muizzuddin bin Musa, metric card 148807. I'm from School Education Studies. Okay, today I want to talk about presentation title is my topic, climate change, rising temperature. Okay, what is climate change? Climate change is one of the most fiercely debated scientific issue of the 20 years, although a steady contingent of global warming deniers have reminded instant the climate change does not pose a threat. There is a overwhelming consensus about among the worldwide. Okay, what scientific community that's our planet is undergoing scientifications, highly problematic shift. Expert point to rising sea levels, record-breaking temperature across the globe, declining air quality and erratic weather pattern as different manifestation of climate change. Today, many geographers and environmentalists have identified the rising temperature leading to climate change due to nature and human factor. Okay, my first factor rising temperature change is volcanic activity. Volcanic activity is nature factor during a volcanic eruptions. Volcanoes emit hot lava and most of it release a smoke containing harmful gas that fill of atmosphere where it absorbs heat at night. Heat from the earth cannot be released into the atmosphere. The earth become hot and the climate will turn hot. For example, among the countries with large volcanoes and very active like Indonesia, when a volcano erupts, the people have to move from the volcano area because it is emitted and it is very dangerous. The heat is higher also. So what we must do is we need to plant more trees in order to stabilize the atmosphere, because the tree can do chemical process which produce water vapor that is able to absorb heat in the air through the condition process, and it is because the more water vapor in the air, the temperature will decrease. Okay, my second factor rising temperature is human activities. This factor has been a major contributor to climate change over the last 15 years. Burning coal, oil and gas, and destroying forests overload the atmosphere, with excess carbon dioxide adding to heat-trapping gas that already are present in the atmosphere. Combined, this gas acts like a blanket covering the Earth. The part of atmosphere where excess carbon dioxide accumulates has expanded and has rising temperature. For example, human activity is primarily burning fossil fuel and deforestation. To reduce excess gas content in atmosphere, everyone should take steps to plant more trees in order to stabilize the gas contents in the atmosphere by observing pollutants gas such as carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen gas to prevent pollutants gas which are heat trap that do not cover the atmosphere and counteract the increased temperature. The last factor rising temperature is rapid construction of skyscraper. There are many skyscraper in modern time use. Extensive use of glass causing the reflection of the sunlight penetrates the mirror of the buildings and heat is trapped in the atmosphere. Then climate change will occur where temperature are expected to rise dramatically. For example, Kuala Lumpur and Singapore, both of which are called urban heat island because of the over construction of skyscraper. It is causing a very hot day. So what we want to do is build many water park, reducing the use of mirror so that the hot air is not trapped, and with the presence of water park, it can lower the temperature, resulting in the release of large amount of water vapor from evaporation process. In my conclusion is every individual needs to nurture the love of the environment and must take various steps to overcome this problem, because today many geographers and environmentalists have identified the rising temperature leading to climate change due to nature and human factor. So my suggestion is every individual in the society need to work together to reduce the temperature so that we can live more comfortably without diseases such as a heat stroke, migraine and so on that can lead into deep. I think that's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.